Welcome to the office.
How did she do with her first adjustment? I had to. Sorry mama, I had to.
يا الله يا عظيم.
شلون شفتي بعد أول جلسة؟
يعني أحسن.
A little bit different?
Yeah, she's saying this is better.
Was she able to sleep a little bit better?
قدرتي تنامين بالليل أحسن؟ She experienced a little bit
طبعا
of.
يعني أول جلسة فأكيد يعني بعد.
She's saying like I totally understand that after a first visit, like to feel some pain. That's
Soreness.
Soreness, exactly.
Yeah.
So yeah, she felt it in her thigh.
Okay.
That was like a little bit when she was sleeping or just adjusting her position during the night.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
T7, right side. We're out of the basement.
Okay. كلش طلعنا من القبو.
We're at the first floor now, where we need to be. She's not supposed to do so good so fast. I guess prayer works, huh?
كلش أدعيتك استجابت لأن حتى يعني الحمد لله الأرقام صحيحة وسريعة.
Neck is clear. Wow. Let's check the hip. Bottom. Not like history. So where we started was here.
نعم بدي أنا.
ما عندي ذاك الألم شوي.
She's saying yeah I don't feel any pain.
Now
there,
I'm
just-
here. Okay.
إيه شوي.
Yeah,
Yeah,
شوي.
there.
شوي شوي.
يعني أكثر من شوية ما أدري.
شوي. Okay. T7, and we're gonna do the L4 spondy. And we're gonna set the L4 spondy using the L5 vertebrae and bringing it under. So can you help her over here, please?
Sure. هذا النهارده راح نبدي على L4
يا الله. يا الله. يا الله.
Take your time. Okay, now let me just bring this down.
راح شوي ننزلها دقيقة.
And then once it goes down, she can slide up, okay?
اوكي بس تتعدل السرير تقدرين شوي تصعديني فوق.
So I'm gonna work on her left hip and her spondy today.
شوية فري حوضك.
There you go. بس. Oh, بالله.
يا رب. يا رب. يا رب. يا الله. يا عظيم. يا رحمن يا رحيم يا الله.
يا حليم.
يا رحمن يا رحيم.
يا حكيم.
يا الله. بجاه أسمائك الحسنى. طيب
Let's
للخاطر
do the pelvis first.
بس الحوض.
I need to be here, madam.
نعم راح
I'm
يكون.
holding there.
يا رب. يا رب. يا رب. يا رب. يا رب.
Put your hands here lightly for her.
يا رب يا رب.
So we need to bring the sacrum
يا الله يا محمد يا علي.
underneath.
يا الله يا محمد يا علي. أنت الولي يا علي.
There it is.
أي.
Bas.
هاي.
Bas.
هاي.
Bas.
هاي. هاي. يا رب. يا رب. يا الله. أنت المعين يا الله. يا ربي. يا ربي. يا ربي.
a minute.
على كيفك بدي وقتك قلبي
No rush.
من لا تستعجلين.
يا ربي.
يسوى
يا
رب.
رحيم. يا رحيم يا الله.
Whew!
يا
Whew!
يا رب. يا إلهي.
That cleared her mid back. Good.
تعدل وسط الظهر.
يا رب. يا رب.
Come back slowly.
رجعي
Back.
على
Come
كيفك.
back. Come back. Come back.
رجعي رجعي.
Come back. Come back.
هسه رجعي على كيفك.
That was the one that I adjusted.
هاي اللي هسه باعتبار عدلها تجي الساعة عشان
Come back.
ترجعيش هسه رجعي على
Come back.
كيفك. على كيفك. هسه ماكو هذا. يا نوقفي.
يا رب. الحمد لله والشكر على كل شيء. وأنا آسفة قولي لا تعيط.
Huh?
He's saying sorry for my scream.
It's Hollywood. It's okay.
But I just keep holding Daddy.
Go on her back.
Okay, start over.
Take your time.
يا
And
يا
now you see it's easier for her
Yeah.
to lie down, right?
Even like to lift her leg.
Good. Raise this leg.
يا هذا توجعنا.
Raise this leg.
هسه ذيك الرجل رفعيها.
Now, let's do a little machine for her thigh on the right side just to break up some of those adhesions. Bend the knee.
اتني ركبتك ماما. She can, I think. Let me help her.
So she can't lift that leg.
ما تقدرين ترفعين هاي الرجل. لا اليمنى.
Now this one,
اليمين.
up.
بس الألم.
With difficulty.
All right. Whew. That was a deep one today.
كانت عميقة هاي اليوم.
You called home yesterday?
Yeah.
Told him she survived the first day?
Yeah.
All good. This is all set for this morning, okay? So you continue, just get the light movements, lots of icing on the low back place,
Okay.
and we'll continue,
Okay.
all right?
خلاص اليوم خلصنا بس لازم
خلاص.
نتمرن على الثلج والحركة وإن شاء الله اليوم خلصنا لهذا اليوم. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
I will see you
Thank you.
Tomorrow.
Thank you.
tomorrow. So in her case, I don't want to see her twice a day. You guys are here for a week, so we're
Yes.
good. I don't know if she's going to handle twice in a day.
Okay.
You're going to need some recovery. Maybe, let's see how she does.
Okay.
As soon as she tells me this is about 20% better, then I can go even deeper.
Okay.
And I know it's already getting better.
Yes.
It's just time.
Yes.
Okay?
Okay. Appreciate it.
You're
Thank you.
welcome. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
خدا حافظ.